and suddenly, the ground beneath your feet begins to glow with an eerie blue light. This is not a scene from a fantasy novel. It's a real-life phenomenon caused by bioluminescent organisms. These fascinating creatures have captivated scientists and nature enthusiasts alike, lighting up the natural world in the most unexpected places. Bioluminescence is the production and emission of light by living organisms. This phenomenon occurs widely in marine environments, where creatures like jellyfish, plankton, and even certain types of fish glow in a myriad of colors. The light is produced through a chemical reaction involving a light-emitting molecule called luciferin and an enzyme called luciferase. This reaction releases energy in the form of light, creating a breathtaking spectacle. But why do these organisms glow? The reasons are as varied as the organisms themselves. Some use it as a defense mechanism, startling predators or camouflaging themselves. Others use it to attract mates or lure prey. On land, the most famous bioluminescent organisms are fireflies, which use their glow to communicate and find partners. This natural glow is not just beautiful. It plays a critical role in the survival and communication of these organisms, showcasing the incredible adaptability and diversity of life on Earth.